Is your aim in Marvel Rivals feeling a little euro off? Let's fix that frustrating mouse acceleration issue. First, close Marvel Rivals completely. This is crucial for the changes to take effect. Next, go down to your Windows search bar. Typically at the bottom left of your screen, type in Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel icon that appears in the search results. This will open the Control Panel window. Inside the Control Panel, look for Hardware and Sound and click on it. Under Devices and Printers, find the Mouse option and click on that. This will open your mouse properties. In the Mouse Properties window, navigate to the Pointer Options tab. Now, look for a checkbox labeled Enhance Pointer Precision. This is the culprit, it's mouse acceleration. Uncheck the Enhance Pointer Precision box to disable mouse acceleration. Finally, click Apply and then OK at the bottom of the Mouse Properties window to save your changes. And that's it, launch Marvel Rivals again. You should notice a much more consistent and predictable aiming experience. Enjoy!